You're broken down and tired of living life on the merry-go-round, and you can't find a fighter, but I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out. Mountains, we gon' walk it out and mountains. And I'll rise like the day. I'll rise up, I'll rise unafraid. I'll rise up.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Nunez family, and today we are decorating pumpkins. Today I will also be showing you how to make a pumpkin decor. This pumpkin is foam, so we're gonna cut into it and I'm gonna show you how to make a pumpkin decor.
1,000 times again. You,
we cut the foam in half and we stick it inside the pumpkin. We have our leaves here, and if we have to, we'll go ahead and we'll cut the stems with the scissors, and we're gonna go ahead and add them to our pumpkin.
Mountains, bring it to his feet.
Here's our pumpkin.
And I'll rise up.
And these leaves here, you can bend. So you can bend them any height or any form you want them. And we're just gonna go ahead and add some fall stickers to it.
We have each other, and for that we have each other, and we will rise, we'll rise, oh, we'll rise. I'll rise up, rise like the day. I'll rise up in spite of the ache. I will rise 1,000 times again, and we'll rise.